is taking 26 minutes already.
It's
I have
important.
to be fair to everybody.
Yeah, but I still have
Yes,
supplementary.
I know, I understand.
It's
but
important.
please, you should also please understand, I cannot, other questions are equally important.
Then what is the point, sir? if
Please, you may
to
ask
be here,
last
sir?
one question, one last
At least
question.
we didn't violate any rules, sir.
No,
It is still
I'm
within
not
the
saying
rule.
that you're violating, but you should please understand that other questions
Every
are
time, sir, we are
equally
restrained
important.
from
A single
expressing.
question has taken up 26,
This is not fair, sir. I
27
don't think
minutes.
this is fair.
So, please understand. Please understand. You may ask, please.
So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, the total amount of fund spent while implementing the measures undertaken by the government?
Sir, I had mentioned earlier, sir, of course, I don't have it from day one, but from the MSAM 2.0, from 19 to 24, close to 35 crores was spent. And under the PMMSY, from 2021 to 2023-24, approximately 33.72 crores has been spent. Roughly about 67.72 crores has been spent in the last 3 to 4 years.
So what I mean is that since the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister in this reply, sir, it seems that many measures have been taken by the government to support the fish farmers. So I want to know the total amount of funds spent on these measures.
This is the amount.
Specific?
Yes.
It means that, yes, that is the amount that you have
Yes.
said. Okay. Sir, another question that I would like to ask. I've been told by the fish farmers that the fish farmers, they are not in a position to get the average size of fishes in Meghalaya. So may I know what is the reason? Why can't they get the average sizes of fish?
That is more of a technical question. I will not be able to give a exact reply to that. But sir, as I said, there are different varieties of fish that are there. There are different areas from which the seeds are being bought. As I mentioned to you, sir, 75 million is the requirement every year, out of which only 25 million is produced in the state. 50 million is being brought from outside, sir. So therefore, there is a lot of, obviously, mix of supply that's coming in. Whatever the Honorable Member has said, sir, we will take note of that point. But also I want to share with everybody, sir, that on a very, very regular basis, the department conducts a study into the seeds that are being produced in the state, as well as the seeds being brought from outside, sir. And continuous efforts are being made to ensure that we enforce proper quality measures. And as we have been moving forward, sir, we have been seeing that quality improve. It is a process, but I'm sure, sir, that we will keep working on it and keep improving on it. There's always a scope and space for improvement, and we'll definitely look into the suggestion that is given by the Honorable Member.
Sir.
Okay, you finish your supplementary first, please.
Okay.
By chance, I'll give you.
So the Meghalaya Fisheries Training and Research Institute, Maupon, trained the beneficiaries about scientific farming of fishes. But why not also the department distributes the fish seeds to be stocked scientifically? And when the seeds are not stocked scientifically, so how can we expect good production and total utilization of the pond? So this is the question that I also received from the fish farmers.
Sure. Yes, sir. As I've mentioned that everything is a process. There was a time when Meghalaya was importing almost close to 75% of its fish from outside, sir. Today, after the large interventions been made by the Fisheries Department, we have come to a point where now 2/3 is produced within the state, sir. So things are moving forward. It does take time, sir, to see that we are able to correct all the different aspects. But as I said, on a larger scale, things are moving in the right direction. So regarding the suggestion given by the Honorable Member, that is precisely how to ensure that the quality is maintained from the outside market. We are testing at different levels, and we have seen that the quality is overall improved. So there are other factors also that are there, which affect the overall growth of the fish also, and the size of the fish. that is there, and many other factors are there. But primarily, as I said, the seed is critical, and therefore continuous effort is being made. As I mentioned to you, sir, one of the primary tasks in the MSAM 3.0 is going to be the focus on hatcheries. And that's why, sir, if you've seen in my primary reply, which I gave, that we are putting up 50 hatcheries within the state. 9 of them are already functional, and another 41 will be made functional very soon. And these are the steps that we are taking to ensure that the quality of the seeds is maintained. So it's a process, sir. We will not be able to see things like immediately that tomorrow that the result will come out, but the process is on and we're in the right direction, sir.
Sir,
Look, this single question is taking 26 minutes already.
this is
I have to
important.
be fair to everybody.
Yeah, but I
cannot-
still have
Yes,
supplementary.
I know, I understand.
It's
but
important
please,
for
you
us.
should also please understand, I cannot, other questions are equally important.
Then what is the point, sir? if
Please, you may ask
we hear?
one question, one last
At least
question.
we didn't violate any rules, sir.
No,
It is still
I'm
within
not
the
saying
rule.
that you're violating, but you should please understand that other questions
Every
are
time, sir, we are
equally
restrained
important.
from
The single
expressing.
question has taken up 26,
This is not fair, sir. I
27
don't think
minutes.
this is fair.
So, please understand. Please understand. You may ask, please.
THAIT L H.